DG, what about a wealth tax, which I know Ronald loves, and now is also being proposed, pero sabi ng Malacanang, it might
Capital flight.
turn away investors.
Capital flight.
Well,
what
in
do you
many
think?
of my columns, I also advocated wealth tax. And this started with many millionaires and billionaires at the World Economic Forum several years ago. Ang sabi nila, why don't you tax us? No? It will not make a dent in our wealth. Ngunit yung makukuha mula sa wealth tax na ito ay napakalaking bagay para i-mitigate ang sitwasyon, especially ng mga mahihirap. Well, I know it's a political issue. I know it's going to be explosive. But I think the government will have to take a stand, no? Dito sa mga bagay na ito. Sa ibang bansa, kinukonsider na ang wealth tax. Dito sa atin, mas urgent, mas imperative na i-consider yung pagpapataw ng wealth tax because number one, poverty is widespread. And number two, income inequality is very inequitable. Okay? So the urgency here sa Pilipinas ng pagpapataw ng wealth tax o kahit na monopoly tax ay dapat na i-consider ng gobyerno. At tatamaan lang naman dyan yung nandoon sa itaas. And they will not mind it. No?
Katulad
They
ni
will not
Ronald.
mind it, I'm sure.
Ang problema dyan, Mr. Kunigondo, ang problema dyan, yung mag-aaproba ay either wealthy or hawak ng mga wealthy.
Nasa upper
Diyan
decile.
diyan po papasok, Secretary, yung pong tinatawag nating the power of public opinion. Okay? Kung mas marami sa atin ang magkakaisa, hindi lamang sa gobyerno, kundi dun sa ilang mga cost-oriented groups doon po sa Kongreso at sa Senado, assuming they are enlightened, maipapasok at maipapasok po natin yan. Yung walang silbing Maharlika Fund na ipasok nila at nagawang batas ano pa itong importanteng bagay na maipapasok natin?
pero sir,
Kaunti ang tatamaan, ngunit
sir,
marami ang makikinabang.
pinasa nila yung Maharlika despite strong public opinion against it. Diba? There was we were all questioning the source of funds.
It was,
how
to
it will be
me,
used?
Regina, it was not as noisy as necessary. Hindi ganun kaingay. Hindi ganun kaingay. At saka isa pa, that was railroaded in both the Senate and the
Yes.
House.